Welcome to my channel Engineer Star. My name is Sanjeet Thapa Magar, and here I will uh, be explaining about the question that was asked in 2019. The question is examine the following vectors for linear dependence and find the relation if dependent. First, we need to check whether these four vectors are linearly dependent or independent, and if dependent we have to find the relation between these four vectors. Now the vectors are uh, 1 comma 0 comma 2 comma 1. If you remove the comma and write in the matrix form, in vector form, is u1 is 1021, u2 is 3121, u3 is 462 minus 4, and u4 is minus 60 minus 34. And the corresponding arithmetic matrix is for u1 it is 1021, and for u2 it is 3121, and for u3 it is 462 minus 4, and for u4 it is minus 60 minus 3 minus 4. And now we need to, this is 1 2 3, this is 4 by 4 matrix, so we need here 0, here 0, here 0, and here 0, here 0. So we need to convert it into the upper triangular matrix. So here all this is 0, it's fine. So to make here 0, we apply 2 minus 2 times 1, that is 2 minus 2, 0. So in R3 minus 2 R1, and to make this 0, we just simply do R4 minus R1 in R4. R1 and R2 as it is 1 3 4 minus 6, and 0 1 6 0 0. And in R3 it is R3 minus 2 R1. R3 is 2, R1 is 1, so it is 0. And in here R3 is 2 and R1 is 3, so it would be minus 4. And R3 is 2, R1 is 4, so it is minus 6. And next R3 is minus 3, R1 is minus 6, so it is 9. And finally 0 and 0, so it is 0. Now R4 minus R1, this minus this 0, 1 minus 3 minus 2, minus 4 minus 4 minus 8, minus 4 plus 6, 6 minus 4 is 2, and here 0. Now we try to make 0 here and here with the help of this R2. So to make 0 here, this is R3, so R3 plus 4R2, minus 4 plus 4, 0. So in R3, R3 plus 4R2, so the first and second rows are as it is, and R3 here, R3 is 0, R2 is also 0, so it will be 0 here. R3 is minus 4, R2 is 1, so it is 0. And then R3 is minus 6, R2 is 6, so it is 18. Here R3 is 9 and R2 is 0, so it would be 9. And finally 0 and 0, so 0. And now we need to make here 0 with the help of this diagonal element. So in R4 plus 2 R2 minus 2 plus 2 should be 0. So in R4 and R2, so 0 at here it would be minus 8 and 6, so it is 4. Here it is R4 is 2 and R2 is 0, so it is 2. Here it is R4 is 0 and R2 is also 0, so it is also 0. Now we need, this is the diagonal element. So now final step is to make 0 over here. If you multiply this by 9, it will be 9 into 4 46. If you multiply this by 2, it will be 18 into 2 46. So 36 minus 46 0. So in R4 uh, 9R4 minus 2R3, so this will be 0, this will be 0, and by this is also 0, and in here it will be R4 is 2 and R3 is 9, so it is 0, and here R4 is 0 and R3 is also 0, so it is also 0. Now since the column 4, this is the column 4, 1 2 3 4, do not have non-zero diagonal elements, so given vectors are linearly dependent. Here it is 0 u4 equals 0. This is u1 u2 u3 and u4, so main diagonal element is 0, so this is the free, because if we put uh, 0, it is 0 times 0 equals 0. If we put 1, 0 times 1 equals 0. If we put 5, 0 times 5 equals 0. If we put minus 10, 0 times minus 10, 0. If we put minus 1 by 5, 0 times minus 1 by 5 equals 0. So every value of u4 satisfies this equation. So u4 equals u4. So it is the free. So from here you can write 18u3 plus 9u4 equals 0. So 18u3 plus 9u4 equals 0. u3 equals minus 9 by 18 u4, so it will be minus u4 by 2, and from here it is u2 plus 6 u3 equals 0, and u2 equals minus 6 u3, and u3 is minus u4 by 2, so minus minus cancels, and 6 divided by 2 is 3 u4. So u2 equals 3 u4, u3 is here, u4 is here. Finally we have to find u1 from this. u1 plus 3 u2 plus 4 u3 minus 6 u4 equals 0. Now u1 plus 3 times u2 is 3 u4 plus 4 u3 is minus u4 by 2 minus 6 u4 equals 0. So u1 plus 3 to the 9 u4 and 2 minus minus 2 u4 minus 6 u4 equals 0. So u1 equals this, sending all to the right hand side, it is 6 plus 2 minus 9. 8 minus 9 is minus 1, so minus u4. So u1 is minus u4, u2 is 3 u4, u3 is minus u4 by 2, u4 is u4. So taking u4 common out, remaining is minus 1, 3 minus 1 by 2 and 1. This is the relation between the following vectors. And this much in this video, and thanks for watching. And if you like the video, hit that like button, and don't forget to share and subscribe the channel. And if you have any question, then feel free to comment it down in the comment box. Thank you.